This is optional, but if you want your hair to look extra neat and last longer, then just use a brush for any flyaways, and you can use a hairspray. This one is from OGX and it offers a medium to a stronger hold. What I'm going to do is divide my hair in half, and I'm just going to start to twist both of the sections. Just like that. You don't want to twist them too tight. And then I'm going to bring them upwards, and then they're going to cross. And I'm going to bring the sections down. And then they're going to come back up. And then I'm going to take a scrunchie and I'm going to put it over the bun. And if you want to make it a little bit more secure, you can always just put pins to keep it in place, and that's how you do the bun. To do this bun, I'm just going to bring all my hair forward, and then I'm just going to start to wrap it around. Like that, and you're just going to continue to wrap all the way around until it forms a nice bun, and it should look something like that. And then you're just going to take a scrunchie and you're going to put it over it, or you can always pin it into place. And with this bun, you can make it as big or as small as you want, so you can always pull out pieces, and that's how that looks.